Hi everyone, this is Aya, and in today's video we're going to unbox Tonic Craft Kit. So let's open it. I opened it but I didn't see what's inside this bag. So let's take everything out and see what do we have. Okay, so this is the die and the stamp set. So cute, it's like lantern maybe. And this is the stamp set. Let me see the final. Yeah, it will be something like this. Anyway, I'm gonna assemble it together. So this is the stamp and the die. Let's see the papers. I love their papers so much. Oh, bright colors. So we have this one. This is the heavy cardstock. Like light orange or peach. Oh, this is like a hot pink. Glitter, I'm sorry, the sun, yeah. This is metallic green. Beautiful papers. And this bright yellow. Okay. I love all the papers. And now let's see what's inside here. Okay, so we have a Nuvo Aqua Shimmer Pen. So to activate it, you take this out and you close it. Then shake, 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 and you can use it. I'm not sure if you can see the shimmer or not. Okay. Then we have ribbon. Tonic, so the crafter ribbons, ivory white. We have Deluxe Adhesive Clear Drying Craft Glue. I love their glue. Then we have this one, Sparkle Spray. And this color called, what's the color? Strawberry Ice. Then, we have this one called Beach Sorbet. This is a jewel drop. Oh, look at this glitter. Candy pink glitter. And the last but not least, this is a Nuvo embellishment mousse, and the color is spring green. And now let's do some die cutting and stamping.